Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey, Lucas, go. Yeah, go.
Oh hey! Oh my gosh guys, I got a new phone. I got the brand new iPhone 16 Plus in pink. And I'm good now, but I was kind of fucked up about it before because I planned on buying a camera. I ended up settling with the phone. Literally the day I was going to buy my camera, my phone broke. It's okay, we'll get there soon. Today's video is mainly focused on cleaning. I also got a vanity, guys. You guys are actually not that updated. I have my own apartment now. I'm still bartending. I'm also in school. I'm in beauty school. I graduated in February. We're now in November, so that's cool. Halloween just ended. I was out last night with my girls. Before that too, what the fuck was that the first night? I'm gonna insert some pictures that we took last night. Ended up just getting drunk and taking pictures. I didn't prepare for Halloween though. It's so funny because I just knew that I wasn't gonna end up doing anything that enjoyable to the point where I'm gonna spend like $100 in a costume, try to get all the pieces together, and then not just have as much fun as I would have expected to. I'm not mad at it. My friends definitely came through with my costumes, my makeshift costumes, so I really appreciate them. If y'all see this, y'all. Oh shit, I also have a bag of candy. I did go trick-or-treating with my little brother lunching last night. And actually, I need a re-up. This is not enough. My vanity is also automatic sensor, which is pretty cool. Turn off my sensor. This is so cool. You can see my entire room. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna just put on some music and get her done, okay?
He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp, the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the stove. I'm like, cool, let him run this move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, if it do a lot, but it's this you like no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to stop. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take a cost, mess for Michael White. I'm on his ass, he finna be mad, he gon' beat her ass. But this what happened, I got to the door, I thought I was capping, I was lacking, cause that go to up, yelling now was cracking. I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, who? I was born to shoot, I got aim, I'm like,
So, my people, my fams, my dams. Hi guys! My room is now clean. Sand fog, room spray. No, we gotta do the famous when you walk out and walk back in. We have to do that. The only thing I have to do left is count my tips from work. And that's it, I think. I'm just happy my shit's clean. My sanctuary is back. It smells good. It looks good. I really can't wait to like decorate this shit. Because I used to do my beauty stuff at the mirror right here, standing. Or like, I'll get this chair right here, pile everything on my lap, and then just sit in front of the mirror. Vanity would seriously come up. I'm so excited to be back on my channel for good and forever now. If you guys want to keep up with me, please add me on all my social media so we can be friends. My life right now is like very goal focused based. Like, I'm trying to graduate, I'm trying to make money, I'm trying to be happy in the long run, but also not like do things that don't make me happy on the long run, you know. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm so excited to be back and to continue posting. Add me on all my social medias down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So, my people, my fams, my dams. Hi, guys. So, as you can see, my room is now clean. Freak, we should have did a time check. Oh, I'm slow. This is not my... This is the phone. Oh, I showed you guys already. Yeah, piece of shit. All right. I'm not sure what time it is. Hold on, let me check. 7:09. And that is great timing. Because I did want to finish by 7. I'm not sure what time we started, but I think I did pretty good in this short amount of time. I'm going to just spray some of this sand fog room spray.